Hello. Now, today let's solve this particular question. Ready? Now, whenever you see four terms with some similar alphabets, it means you have to group them into two. If you see it carefully, the first term PQ and the third term is also PQ. So we can take out common from here. Similarly, the second term is somewhat similar to the third one, which is having a common of r square. So in the first step, what we are going to do is, we are going to rearrange the terms. We are going to write down the first term, that is p square q minus pq, which was the third term, minus pr square, that is the second term, plus r square, that is the fourth term. So we have grouped the first and the third and second and the fourth. Now taking out, always take out the lowest power. Like if you see here, we are having power of p square and here the power is 1. So whenever you take out anything common, always take the lowest power out. Now p square and p, which is the lowest one? P. Next, q is also there, which is having the same power as 1. So pq common. We are left with, when you have taken out pq common, what is left? Like if it is p square q and you divide it by pq, what is left? You are left with only 1p. So in the first term, we are only left with 1p. The negative sign, whichever sign is there. Now in the second term, we have already taken out PQ common. When the entire term is common, you are only left with 1. Minus, in the next two terms, we are having r square common because both the powers are of square. And if we take out r square common in this term, what is left? If we have taken out r square, we are only left with p. Now if you see it carefully, here the symbol is of plus, but we are going to put a negative sign. Reason is, whenever outside the bracket there is a negative sign, you have to change the sign. That's the rule. Always change the sign when there is a negative sign outside the bracket. So it was a plus sign, now our sign will be minus. R square is already common, so we are left with 1. The reason we have to change the sign is because if we open the bracket, so minus will become plus. Now if you see it carefully here, we are having two brackets of p minus 1. Now we can take out p minus 1 in one bracket and the leftover terms, that is pq and minus r square, in other bracket. Ta-da! Here's your answer. So see you with the next question.